Okay, everyone, we're going to work for 12 hours. If there's a video here, great. That's all I needed to say, 12 hours, which is 12 minutes. So this is a 12-minute simulation. What I'd like you to do is go through every one of the workstations for 12 minutes. See how many sub-assemblies you can get put together. And then I want you to do this, is make a prediction right here. Double click here and tell me how many airplanes you think we're going to produce in 12 minutes. Okay, make that prediction, because before I delete the area, I'm looking for this number and I want to see what everybody's guess is. By the way, when you take a guess, it's called a hypothesis. In technical terms, it means you're guessing. You have an idea of what you think will happen. We don't know whether that's going to happen or not. I don't even know. This is the first time I'm doing this simulation. I have no idea. But here's what I do know. If there is a different number for you than what you predicted, that means that's a mistake. That's an error. Right? I want you to try to be accurate. Error. When there's a mistake and there's a gap between what you think is going to happen and what actually happens, that's called a gap, which is where we start learning. And then I want you to understand during this Lego simulation, why the gap. I want everybody who's going through this to explain why the gap. Why is there a gap there? What was your prediction? Why were you off? And I'm going to ask everybody this question. Next video.